And now we're also learning on how the Prime Minister will be inaugurating the 2055th Bhagwan Mahavir Nirvan Mahotsav. Today itself, the Prime Minister will be releasing a commemorative stamp and a coin as well on the occasion. And several saints from the Jain community will be gracing the occasion and will also be blessing the congregation. Let me go across to Aditi, who joins us with more details. The Prime Minister has taken to social media to talk about this particular event and how he's going to be participating in this event, on the Bhagwan Mahavir Nirvan Mahotsav in the national capital itself. What does the Prime Minister say, Aditi?
Well, rightly, Christine, PM Modi has also hailed the ideologies that were set by Mahavir. And over here we have the reaction coming in. He says, Mahavir Jayanti के पावन अवसर पर देश के समस्त परिवारजनों को मेरी अनंत शुभकामनाएं। शांति, संयम और सद्भावना से जुड़े भगवान महावीर के संदेश विकसित भारत के निर्माण में देश के लिए प्रेरणा पुंज है। जैन धर्म के संदेश सह अस्तित्व और भाईचारे के मार्ग को आलोकित कर रहे हैं। इसी कड़ी में आज सुबह 10 बजे नई दिल्ली में भगवान महावीर के 255वें निवारण महोत्सव के उद्घाटन के साथ ही डाक टिकट और सिक्का जारी करने का सौभाग्य मिलेगा. So he's hailed the ideologies and the Jain dharma, how this will lead a path to the more Viksit Bharat.
Okay, an interaction with the Jain community on this auspicious day and a cultural program that will be witnessed in Bharat Mandapam as well, close to 10 a.m. Many thanks, Aditi, for joining us with the latest. We head into a short breather with that.